back once again. You are now tuned into the underground. My name is Mbaya and I go by the Doctor. Yo, real quick, so we're just gonna jump right into this. I have for y'all a review about this new Connect 3 from Gamma Plus, and if you're not familiar, this is what this is. Okay, y'all, so this is the Connect 3. For those of you who are not familiar, we're about to get right into it. If you missed the video of me talking about what I had in, this is a August 2024 drop from Gamma Plus. This is very innovative. Why? Because it's going to make life easier. I can use probably like 3 or 4 more of these because it's very self-explanatory, very straightforward. It's a connector charging system and it helps you have less cords. So it comes with pretty much everything you need that's on the back of this box. You have the connectors, you know what I'm saying, the adapter, and there's not much here to really talk about. It's very self-explanatory. I know some people think this is a money grab. Once again, as always, it goes think Gamma Plus, think the future. So as you can see, this is everything that's going to come in here. So charges 3 devices from a single power source, ideal for keeping tools tidy and having tangle-free charging cables. Compatible with most Gamma Plus and Stylecraft products. So everything Stylecraft and Gamma Plus is definitely compatible with this system. Like I said, I can use probably 3 or 4 more of these, and I'm gonna get an up-close visual of what this looks like. And there we go. As you can see, I swapped this Gamma Plus boosted pod, the charging pod, for the Stylecraft Saber Precision pod. So I can show you that anything can pretty much fit, because I did have this in the middle at first and I swapped it over to this one, and I can show y'all right now that anything is really able to be swapped right now. You know what I'm saying? Like I can grab this boosted, clipper, unplug my Saber, and go ahead and place that right in the middle. It's going to work. It's very straightforward. These things are definitely compatible. As you can see, that's on, it's powered, you know what I'm saying? It's plugged in, no problem. We can swap anything out, and this is why I say that I'm going to need more connectors. If I can get more connectors, this will be a lot easier, because if you all saw what's going on back there, it's not horrible. It's not very ideal what I have going on the back side of this chest, or this tool chest, you know what I'm saying? Because yo, some of these things I'm buying and receiving gifts at the same time. You need all these different tools, but connecting them can be an issue, and this has made life easier. Like I say, this is very much essential. It's not a money grab. I know some of you think that they should have made this to begin with, but who would have thought that these cords would have been this much of a mess when you get so many of them? Because somebody like myself that handles and deals with so many different types of clientele as far as skin types and textures, always goes through it by not having different tools. So if I open my drawer up, and here I have multiple drawers, you know what I'm saying, which, you know, consists of many different things. But if I'm not having all of these things in my arsenal, it's kind of a wrap, you know what I'm saying? People will probably stop coming through. But yeah, this is the Connect 3. This thing is very much essential. Like I said, it's not a money grab, y'all. If you need this, I highly recommend that you go ahead and get one. I believe this is retailed at $39 about. So, you know, 40 bucks, why not? You know what I'm saying? If it's gonna save you some space, less cords, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? This does come with these things on the back. These items are all packaged in this box. That's all you're gonna receive, no more than that. So yeah, I highly recommend this product. Once again, Gamma Plus always winning with their innovative, you know, different ideas that they come up with. And I know some of you will argue and say, oh no, they didn't do it first, somebody else did it. Well, guess what? Gamma Plus has one. So for those of you who are Gamma Plus, you know, biased, go and get this. And if you're not biased, not to even get negative like that, I don't recommend these tools for any particular reason, but because they work. This is not hype. It's not complete nonsense at all. I want y'all to have the best. I use the best, so I recommend that you go ahead and get this stuff, because like most people have been hitting me up about how I feel, you know, when it comes to the Cyborg. The Cyborg is the best trimmer on the market, hands down. As much as I love my Saber, the Cyborg is the one in my opinion. This thing definitely comes in ideal. You can swap blades, like I say before, no problem. And these things definitely win. And the boosted trimmer, also another item that's been released recently that's just crushing the game right now. So if you're not familiar, I suggest that you get on it ASAP, y'all, and recommend somebody, a friend or something like that. Use discount code J.Exquisite. You know what I'm saying? Save some money. This thing is worth it. The boosted clipper as well as the Cyborg. All of these things are worth it. I don't hype these things up just for the sake of the simple fact that they send me stuff. No, these things actually work. And when I first started working with these tools, I was very impressed. Because one thing I always say is, don't set yourself up for fail, because if you're stuck in 1990 or 1980 something, you're gonna be behind. You're gonna find yourself not winning anymore, and your clients are going to be asking for specific haircuts that you're not going to be able to perform. Why? Because you don't have the proper tools. So when it comes to Gamma Plus and Stylecraft, it's not hype, it's the real deal. A lot of these other companies are getting left behind, and you can go and argue with your mama if you got a problem with that. For real, go argue with your uncle, your daddy. I don't care who it is, no beef. I'm just saying, go argue with somebody. Argue with your girl, your brother. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? But hey, that's the pretty much whole deal about this Connect 3. Get it if you want it. It's definitely compatible with Stylecraft and Gamma Plus items. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.